So when I think about what inspired me to get into manufacturing, I would have to say it was probably my father. So my father was a handyman and built things throughout my childhood. So when I was given the opportunity to be in an industry where we are making new things every day, that was really exciting. And being in the advanced manufacturing space, I feel like I'm at the edge of cutting edge technology, seeing what's coming out first. And that's a really exciting place to be.
So how did I get into manufacturing? What inspired me to get into manufacturing? Well, I studied entrepreneurship at Miami University in Oxford, Ohio. And after school, I started a business with a few co-founders and shifted into a product development solution role within a company in the software space. The ability to create new designs and bring new products to market, I had all these ideas. It's exciting to be able to actualize on that. And with 3D printing, metal 3D printing, you can do so in a quick environment when we all know in entrepreneurial settings, speed and cash are king.
So there are a lot of additive manufacturing technologies in general, and then there are also a lot within the metal additive space. Today I'm going to talk to you about the two technologies that AddUp offers. With this technology, we start with metal in a powder form, and it's laid across our build bed. Then a laser is selectively melting where the part will be. Then there's more powder spread across, the laser melts again, and this will go on consecutively until you build up a part. Once that build is complete, the excess powder is then vacuumed out. Then there are a few steps after this in the build process, which include cutting the parts off of the plate and any sort of post-processing. Another type of technology that we offer in the metal AM space is directed energy deposition. This is very different from powder bed fusion because we are blowing powder through a nozzle along with a laser, and it's depositing and melting at the same time, and we're building up our part in that way. So think about a traditional 5-axis machine where the head is blown powder and a laser. And then you can get these really great near net shapes in geometries that could not be created via traditional manufacturing. Benefit of using this type of technology for this example part would be that you don't have those weak spots that you would have if you were welding the part together.